Just got rushed on our pickup to the tour.
We're not
still
late,
asleep.
okay? We're not late. See, it says
Okay,
8:30.
still.
I'm always on time.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Hi, welcome Koh Lanta.
Bye bye. So, good morning, guys. Oh, I just forgot my sunglasses. Oh, maybe it's in my backpack.
It's okay, we're gonna go snorkeling. We're gonna have you head in the water anyway.
Yeah, so Jade said it. We're heading for snorkeling. We book a tour that will bring us to two places, Koh Haa and Koh Rok. This is one nice boat, people. Okay guys, I think the boat is really packed and full.
We went from north to south and
Yeah.
we picked up people from almost every beaches and it's
At first it looks very nice. We were like, oh, this is so nice. We're like only 7 people on this boat. And then it stops and it's keep getting people.
it's
At
okay, we're gonna go snorkeling anyway.
yeah. But at the third stop, we thought like, okay, this boat is full. Well, they make a fourth one.
Rok Island này. Snorkeling here 40 minutes here.
That was the
And-
shortest explanation
yeah.
on earth.
We just arrived to Koh Rok. Hey, I'm here. How does it feel to walk like on a water mattress?
This is kind of fun. It's the first time I see this. This is so cool. It's amazing.
1,000 baht to fly my drone here. Yeah. Just finished eating. We're finding a good spot in the shade. Well, Jade's already on that, and she's right here. Wow, this is just perfect. It doesn't feel like Thailand at all, guys, because there's way less people than other islands.
I set the alarm, so now we can nap.
Yeah, we feel so relaxed on this island. It's very dangerous.
We don't want the boat to be without us.
It's already time to leave this beautiful place. We're heading to Koh Haa. There will be another snorkeling site. So glad to have my water shoes. This part of the beach is nothing compared with the other side. That's the horizon. We just had 30 minutes on this beach. Whew. And we are back on land. Got back to the room and then thought that today would be our last sunset in Koh Lanta, so we, had no choice. I'm gonna head for the sunset. Kapung kap. Oh yes, look at this bag of fruit. Alright, let's go.
So sweet, huh? You're supposed to take just one bite. Like half of the piece I give you.
I just can't.
Not like breathe the entire
They are like
in.
soft, sweet. Now I understand why Thailand, they call that what, the mango?
The big mango?
The big mango. Let's get to my precious. My little precious. Oh yes.
It's
So-
their last evening
Yeah.
here. So sad. I would have stayed here like 2 entire weeks. But we have more place to explore. So
Yeah.
off to Langkawi tomorrow.
Langkawi, it's in Malaysia. We'll tell you guys more about it tomorrow. It's time to go get a massage, and then after that, sunset. She has such a contagious laugh. It's impossible. Oh, that massage was great. If you guys don't know what's Thai massage is, just Google it. But it's like a bit of a massage, but a lot of wrestling move. But it feels so good. It's like a sport massage. Sometimes it hurts. It's good. Good that it hurts. This trip in Thailand was fantastic. Everything, works just at the right time. Not perfectly, but at the right time.
So I'm stuck with you for the next 15 hours.
Yes. Jay, do you smell that? It's Bangkok. I can't believe that. Wow, you're gonna be on the vlog, that's for sure.
I can't wait.
Alright, this is it guys. Let's do this. It was beautiful just because of all of you guys joined the adventure also. But it's not finished. We're heading to Langkawi tomorrow in Malaysia.